Betta has sent their Betta SE Plus robot for our review, and I'm really excited because I love little robots that'll make our lives much easier, especially when cleaning a pool, because nobody likes it, and it's always a drag because you're always doing some, it's always the last minute you go, oh my goodness, the pool is not clean. Well, with this thing, your pool is continuously going to get clean. So what is this? It's a skimmer. It's not going to go underground. It actually skims the surface of the pool, which is really, really cool, and it does it non-stop, continuously, because there is a solar panel right here that regenerates and replenishes the battery, which is awesome. So let's talk about the features of this thing. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see what this thing does. So these are the little propellers on each side that will work together or one after the other, of course, when it's turning, when it needs to turn, because this thing is completely autonomous. It will go around, no matter the type of pool you have, will go around and hit all the corners, all the main areas of your pool, and do it so like all during the day and during the night, because while it's running during the day, it's replenishing and gathering energy, and at night, of course, the sun's gone, but it still can run, which is awesome. About 8 to 9 hours with a full battery once the sun has basically battered it or powered it up, which is great. So things to note, and this is something that depend on your pool, because some pools will have some steps. The pool that we're actually using this on, our pool will have steps or has steps, so you want to be able to get those guides up. So you just press down and bring them up. What this does basically, there you go, snaps in. And what this does basically, you can do forward, you can do all four. It will stop instead of getting stuck on the steps or on kind of like the shallower areas. It'll stop and basically clean out, which is fine, because if you think about it, if you've got some debris around there, the debris is always going to be moving around. So the machine, the Betta SE Plus will eventually get to what it, or get to clean whatever area needs to get cleaned. And this here is the basket. So I'm going to bring this down so you guys can see the basket. Check this out. It's so cool. So open it up, and you have a humongous basket. So this is what you see here. This little kind of propeller itself is what actually will gather and grab all the debris, the leaves, whatever it may be that's on the surface of your pool, and it will gather right here in this very easy to empty basket. And what I really like, I saw that right away, is that when it's closed, you do have a little screen that kind of like, if you're just walking by your pool and you're like, oh, I wonder if the basket's full, just take a peek, look down, and you see if it's full, if it's ready to get emptied. And when you close it back, just lock it. It's so simple to use, guys. There is only one button, the on position or the off position. You do have, and this is recommended, you do have an external charger, because I would charge it. Obviously, that's what they tell you to do. Charge it before putting it in the water. Once it's fully charged and it's in the water, of course, if you're going to be missing a few days of very, very cloudy days, you will need to charge it again. But if not, if it's a sunny day like today, you have no problems whatsoever. The other cool thing, I think, is the remote. I was going to say the battery, because they do provide with batteries for that remote, which is really nice. And that remote, you can do a few things with it. I love that you can actually control the unit. So you can actually go forward, back, left, and right. You can literally control it like a little, remote control car, remote control robot, which is nice. But I wouldn't even bother with that, because there's an automatic mode, a sleep mode, and also a gather energy mode, which basically on automatic mode, it will do all of those things, by the way. So if the battery kind of is a little low and maybe half of your pool is in the shaded area, it'll actually get itself to, it'll feel the sun, and it'll be like, I want to be in the sun instead of in the shade to get a little bit more energy, maybe a couple hours, and then continue itself. So that's what I recommend with this thing. Leave it on automatic mode, let it do its thing. If you're happy with it, why change it, right? But yeah, this thing is light, will literally skim the surface of your pool all day long, all night long, and do a fantastic job. And I love the fact that even if I'm gone for a whole weekend or a few days and I don't want to bother with it, it's got a huge receptacle, a huge basket to get all that debris in there. It's a really fantastic thing. Betta Plus, the Betta SE Plus, really, really cool. Love it.